Hi, this is Mrs. S here for another video. We are going to be making ice cube paintings. Now, this is going to be a two-step process because you're going to wait for the ice cubes to harden before you can actually paint with them. So this is going to be step one of the whole process. Once they're hardened, then I'll come back and show you how to paint with them. So you're going to get 2 straws. You don't have to use straws, you could use popsicle sticks if that's easier for you, or I'm sure a Q-tip might work as well too, but I use straws because I don't have popsicle sticks. So you're going to cut it so that you have 3 pieces out of each straw. If you're using straws, if you're using popsicle sticks, you can use the whole thing. If you try the Q-tips, you could use the whole thing as well. So I have 6 straws. I have 6 cups of water. Now you don't have to use little tiny cups like these. I had them. It's convenient. You could use just normal coffee cups. You could use larger Tupperware containers if you don't have this size. You only need enough water in each one to fill an ice cube tray. Now our ice cube tray is Superman, but your ice cube tray may be just normal ice cube tray. If you do have a fancy one, you can use a fancy ice cube tray. So I made just enough water in each one to fill one of these. That's all you want, because if you don't measure it out first, you'll have too much water and it'll be a mess. So I'm going to start with red. You're going to put 2 drops if you have drops. This is gel, so I'm going to just put a little bit and see how it goes. And I'm going to mix, and I probably need more than that. So you can add more. You don't want to overdo it, so I would say start with less, and if you need to add more, you can add more. So I'm going to continue to mix. I might even add a little more to this. Now, this straw is now for this red. I'm going to use it in there as well. So I'm going to put it on a napkin. Then, to mix the orange, you should use more yellow than you use red. So I'm going to put a decent amount of yellow in here. And very little red. And I'm gonna mix. And I probably used too much, but it still is orange. You can see on my paper towel that I just wiped up that it is orange. I am gonna add a little more yellow, even see if it would help it to get a little lighter. And this shows that you're going to be mixing and checking and seeing, and if it gets too dark, you can always start over again. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the yellow, which is just yellow. And now I have to get a new straw. And then I'm going to mix the green. The green, you're going to need more yellow than blue, because the blue, again, will surpass the yellow in the mixing. So I just did one little dot, and I'm going to mix. And that's a nice green. That's like the perfect amount that I did there. And then the next color is blue. It's just blue. Take my straw, mix. That one's done. Perfect color. The next is the purple. Again, the purple and the red, when you mix them together, you do the equal amount and it will turn purple. And that's a nice dark purple. So now, those are all my straws that I used. I'm going to pour the water into the ice cube trays. And then I take my straws, the same ones that I used. And you can tell which ones are which color because the color leaks onto the paper towel. Okay. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be reposting again to show you what to do once they're frozen. Alright, I let my ice cube tray freeze for about 24 hours. I did take out 4 of the colors already. I left this one in to show you that when you take them out, you do need to be pretty gentle because I actually broke one of mine because the stick fell out. So you have to be really gentle when you take them out. And that one popped out nice. And we have Superman. So I am actually missing my orange because the stick broke off, but that's okay. I still have all my other colors. So when you use them, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is you can draw with them. So I could do this like my sky. And I could do a little sun here. If I had all the colors, I would have made a rainbow, but I don't have all the colors, so I can't do that. If I wanted to, I could make some grass down here. I'm going to use the red, so I'm going to make a flower. And you do have to turn it a little bit in certain ways to make it, the ice cubes work. I mean, these ice cubes have a rough edge. Yours may have a softer edge. It might be easier. And when I mix the yellow with the red, I actually get my orange back. I, of course, would finish my sky, so it goes all the way down. And then if I wanted to, I could put Mrs. S in the sky. Let's see if I can do this. Oh yeah. And I just used computer paper. I did actually try it on art paper. It actually didn't work as well. So the computer paper actually works better. And that's mine. See what you can do. Thank you.